Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today I'm gonna show you what asparagus crowns look like. They are so nice and beautiful. It looks like a wig to me. I ordered about 10 of them and I'm gonna plant them. So you can see you've got roots like that, and you dig some ground and you make some trench and you just put them like that on the top. And here you can see like a little asparagus is emerging, and they are quite hard to establish, so it will take some time. The first year you shouldn't harvest them at all. The second year you should harvest only lightly and leave more than 50% in, and the third year you should be able to enjoy your full crop. So this is a long-term strategy, but I think it's really worth it. This will keep cropping for next 20 years. So I ordered about 10 of them, and I also trying some from seeds. I think from the seeds it's even longer strategy. I'm not sure if I will able to bring it to life, but I will keep trying and let you know. So this is what you can expect. I hope you find it useful. Please share with your friends and family. Spread some love. Give me some like. Don't forget to subscribe. And that's all from me. From my heart to your heart. Bye until next time.